Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Venmo and how to use it. So before we start, remember that Venmo is mainly for users in the United States. So you need to be in the US and have a US phone number to sign up. So to get started, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Venmo. Download the official app, open it, then tap sign up. Enter your phone number, email, and personal details. Then Venmo may send a code to verify your number, so type it in when you receive it. After that, create your username and password. And once your account is ready, you can add a bank account, debit card, or credit card so that you can send, receive, and transfer money. So to use Venmo, tap pay or request, and then search for the person, enter the amount, add a short note, and review everything before sending. You can also check your balance, payment history, and privacy settings in the app. And that is how you sign up for Venmo and use the basic features, and always double check the payment details before sending money. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.